was a beautiful statement.
Thank you guys. Queen wave.
I don't want to be playing it, I need someone there. As I walk out to like...
Collab with these people.
The sturniolo triplet.
I don't trust a soul, I don't trust nobody. Do it by some pills, I don't trust my own body. You would take a shot and you took her to Chrome Palace. It only took me one car, got a dough man. Just hit this hoe, her boyfriend put me for a show. I'm rocking white and gold, they look like I got my time. Water coming in and out, it never was a drop. For the opposition, he that tripling head.
Shit on my bitches, taking my dues, I never skip it. Still in my hood, a pistol grip, and still.
Is 12 not a teenager?
13.
Holy shit.
12.
13,
15,
16,
wow.
17. I gotcha.
Double cup, stop phone, pull it up. She look bad in the Maybach truck.
Or at like a random place, like an office. Still matters deep with...
Who says not during a polygraph test?
Icky.
Little bitch. Just send you this letter whenever I'm done with it. Fuck, oh my god.
Fuck! Fucking fuck! Fuck! Fucking fuck! Fuck!
I'm dipping the burger in ranch.
Oh my god!
Oh.
You got courage.
I'm telling you, this did something.
I thought you were loving it.
No.
Is that enough? Is that enough ranch?
Oh my god, show that. That's too much.
She ride dick like a carnival. Been over having flashbacks, she gon' eat me up like a carnival. The way I pop my shit.
No,
Somebody said
losers. So.
How long have you guys known each other?
Quite some time now.
Like a little bit of time.
I met Matt in like 1st grade.
Yeah, no, it was second. You fucking idiot.
First grade? Really?
It
When
was
did me and you
second.
meet?
I don't know.
When did me and you meet? You don't remember?
Nick.
We've been best friends for many years and you don't even remember when
I met
we
Nick when he was. First snack you'd want.
I don't. What do they eat? I don't even know. Because I was about to say shrimp because I like shrimp. But what if I am a shrimp?
What triplet is most likely to just make out with their significant other in like a group of people?
Chris.
That is true.
Right here goes out to all the babies, mamas.
I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. I'm sorry, Miss
Weird because when I eat the pizza, I on purposely will just leave this stripe.
Put me like you mad at me, baby. I need a freak to drive me crazy. Put me like you mad at me, baby.
Matt. What the fucking doing, kid? Bring it up. Oh my god. How the fuck do you close this thing? Yeah.
You said you can't change your haircut, but it looks good anyway. I kinda wonder where you got it, and I doubt you even paid. Can't you see? I'm at your feet. Whenever, wherever, we're meant to be together.
Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Oh mine, yeah. Oh mine, oh mine, oh mine, yeah. Oh mine, oh mine, yeah. You know how I feel, you know how
Y'all are crazy. Can you get that? You can't take us anywhere.
Me and Mr. Heartbeat say the cutest things about you, how you seem unreal.
Guys, I don't know what's prettier, the sunset or the guy.
Aw, kid, that's so sweet.
Now why y'all worry about the fuck I do? I'ma let y'all know when the fuck I'm through. Like, now why y'all worry about the fuck I do? I'ma let y'all know when the fuck I'm through. Like, now why y'all worry about the fuck I do? I'ma let y'all know when the fuck I'm through. Like, they like the way I grind, they like the way I flirt, they like the way my noonie is peeking on my skirt.
Hit hitting an animal period, but hitting a deer with my car is one of my biggest fears.
Dude, scary.
Actually, one of my biggest fears.
I've nailed a possum before.
See, I wouldn't recover from that.
That was so
Matt was just, he was
I would
going
not
too
recover.
fast to like,
I was going,
if we were
I was
like
going
to
80.
swerve.
Well, no, it was
or,
a
like,
highway. It was legit a highway. Like,
had
he was
to
going
go
the speed
through
limit.
it.
Yeah.
And he's just walking, and I was like, sorry,
Goodbye.
I saw a comment on one of my videos, and they were like, "Oh, who's Maddie?" And they were like, "Oh, it's their manager." I was like, "Alright."
She ride dick like a carnival. Feeling over, having flashbacks, she gon' heat me up like a carnival. It's the way I pop my shit, the hoes not ready. I'm going Barnacles. Moving to feel like a Texas, can't get arrested. I make them stop on. She want a private session.
Now like wash rags, he wet out, boy, I'll drink it. I'm singing. On the mic to my boy twisted. I fill the tub up halfway, then ride it with my surfboard.
I like you.
Thank you. Aww. I like this.
Stop talking.
Okay.
Ice cream. Nick, you're only supposed to say things you hear, not things you want. Nick loves guys with facial hair. Ooh. Stop speaking forever. I call dibs on that one jacket in your closet. This is crazy.
Baby shark. Take all this candy and put it in Sam's backpack, so just give him a little tickle. If you're following us.
Hey, yo. Looks like a nice, pretty frame.
Wait, he has a pretty frame, or this is a pretty frame?
No, this is hey, yo.
Continue.
You're good at talking to the D.
Mr. G?
I mean, taking the D. I mean, talking to the D.
It's Jim Hogg's room. Who's that?
I don't know, it says his name on the top.
Did you just feel the elevator drop like 3 inches?
I did.
I like 11.
3 inches is such
3
a
inches is enormous.
super
I
far.
fell, dude. Massive.
Yeah,
I just farted, by the way.
She broke her neck violently and died. Is that fun?
Sophie, kind of near her portrait.
He's great.
I really hope I don't get my feet.
Yeah, it's crazy.
We just turn around, Chris is giggling.
Bro pose.
Give me relax.
Nice.
Give me sleepy.
Ecstatic. Oh, Nick, look at it. So many men. Oh my god.
We think this is the perfect place to make the triplets try the Estes method.
This way is where I'm really getting all of it here.
Okay, dude. Alright, dude. Alright.
Tell us more about what happened in grade 6.
We have peaked.
You peaked in grade 6?
Damn, that's 12 years old. That's
Yeah,
so
that's
sad.
a little unfortunate.
Are you happy we brought you some balls? Come on, bro. Keep it serious. I'm just curious. Only was chuckling, bro. That's the only reason why I laughed.
She likes balls.
That's crazy.
God, that guy scared the fuck out of me.
Like a haircut. Yo. Sorry. 5 single men here, except one of them is off limit. Yes. Yeah. Larry and Elsie make memories in here.
Way, yo.
I don't know what type of memories. Matt. You can't make sus jokes about I'm not. They're deep. Bring it up to yellow. Yeah. You can also do it to mine if you want.
You just feel a little left out
here.
right now.
The goal of the game is to get a lady to come, right?
Yeah.
Wait. Hey, please cut that.
Well, you kind of stole it from Abe Lincoln, if I'm being honest.
Do you guys like argue for hours when you're like by yourselves?
Yeah, that's our job.
I got motion, not a dime, she a quarter, she a token. Turned up, see the bitch at
Bad bitch wanna fuck. Bad bitch wanna fuck.
What are you guys dancing for?
I hate the word bushy.
Yeah, but you love bushy stashes. I know you. That's your type, bruh. You like bushy
That's
stashes.
not my type at all. I like
Yes, it is.
No,
I know
it's not!
That was even funny.
chocolate long john. Look, it's like war.
No!
Turn around, Matt. Show them your back. Two little eggy weggies. This ain't no hurt. Oh wow. What? Avocado creamin'.
I am on to see my husband. I'm happy to see my husband. I'm happy.
Because 2 car videos ago.
Oh.
Put that down.
I thought it had like a scent or like a flavor.
No. 2 car videos ago. You can see right up my pants.
Okay.
Make sure you're too bright.
Catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.
I'm gonna drop a bag on my honeymoon. It's gonna be me and my wife looking at zoo animals.
Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me.
I'm breaking dishes up in here all night. I ain't gonna stop until I see police and lights. I'm a bad man.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Ash.
Ash you.
Bless you.
I am not trying to seduce you. Would you like me to seduce you?
I mean, me and Matt are pretty much the same.
Yeah, but like, why is mine different?
Like, we like the same shit.
Why is mine different?
Because maybe you didn't get, like, the carrot that mommy.
Oh my god, I'm gonna freak out. I'm gonna freak out. Listen, Christ. Listen, in this given moment, I have not had French toast enough to put it above pancakes and waffles. Why do I care so much? Did I say a fucking thing? I don't like coconut milk! Go! Go! I would never fucking say some shit like that. I've never fucking had one! Why do I care so much? You just went on a fucking 3-minute tangent about how much you care.
You can't say that. Teachers work really hard.
Teachers work really hard. You work in a school, right?
I'm not a teacher, but teachers work really hard.
Like, in hindsight, I wish I yelled at him.
Like something off a poster. Is a dime they say. Is a gun to my holster. And she's running through my mind all day. Hey, Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like.
What would you guys do if I just juggled these meatballs? I'd be terrified of you.
I gotta get forks.
Fork break. What if like we broke it up with our hands on camera?
Ew. What?
Like what if we just took it and just broke it up with our hands and threw
Just all started like eating the meatballs like
meat at each other. All I want is
What's your top like 3 favorite meat?
Top 3 meats?
Yeah. Meatballs.
Your mom.
Why are we signing waivers to her?
I don't know what to say. Bless you. Or what? I have no idea. I'm at a loss for words.
Walk into your house, nobody's home, just me and you and you and me alone.
Chris, someone said a Melanie Martinez fan. I've been fucking with her shit, yeah.
Hard to breathe under the sheets with you. I don't wanna
like threats. Like.
Oh, barnacles. Who says that?
It's SpongeBob. It's like instead of
fuck, it's like oh barnacles, like it's like slang.
Somebody said that in real life. The other
Probably
day.
Nathan. Oh,
It
barnacles.
was. It was.
Yeah,
Nathan.
Nathan's such a oh barnacles. type of
Okay.
guy.
Yeah.
Who turned my seat heater on? Who does that every single time? Probably him jumping around like a fucking monkey. Like, call me monkey. Click it off. Was it worth it, Chris?
She's running through my mind all day. Hey, Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep on. Got me singing like na 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 every day's like my eyeballs like a replay.
Now we both look Asian. He raving and I'm drunk. I got that shit in my cup. You know what I'ma do to you?
Okay, now we're gonna get into your guys' fan. What?
Matt,
We're
really?
gonna get into your guys'.
Literally just yawning.
Wake up! Like 30 days after Christmas. And my mom was like, your uncle's gonna be.
We're changing the Brita filter.
Woo! Thank it. Nice. Oh, Matt.
I got shaky hands, but that's okay.
Matt's hands are very, very shaky, so it makes me a little bit nervous if we're going to do things like eyeliner. If you poke my eye out, it's for the competition.
Mm-hmm.
Is it in this middle?
It's definitely not in the middle.
We have a makeup wipe.
We do.
Do you want to redo that?
I think we should.
Okay. Did you miss it? A little bit?
Yeah, I missed it.
It's okay. It's okay. I messed up. Do you remember where I put it on you?
I don't recall exactly. Half of your nose is brown, half of it's white.
Y'all are weird. 2 words. Who's y'all? The camera. No, I can't do that. That's terrible. That's so awful. See you next time.
I'm passing the phone to someone who doesn't think they're in a relationship with me, but they are.
I'm definitely not in a relationship with the last person. Definitely not.
No!
Oh.
Squirted on me. Number 1 pencil. Matt, get your hand off my fucking ball. Number 1 pencils exist. 8 ball.
No, don't do this to me.
I know, I'm sorry.
I don't really care about what they say. I'ma come back like a boomerang. Won't let the haters get their way. I'ma come.
Should actually move
looks pretty good, I can't lie.
It's just coffee.
I don't like when it's like not mixed up. Mix it up a little, you know?
I love it.
Yeah, it tastes like sin.
Nick, if you buy shit like this, don't use my money. Just use
You
yours.
guys don't want this in the house?
Fuck no.
Sorry.
Stay with me. I don't want you to leave.
I'll take your money.
Cap